Install and lock the fixed frame. The electrical contacts of the illumination ring are installed in alignment with the contacts of the microscope. Be sure to twist the ring in place. Turn the head to the correct position before install a tie-in. Connect all the desired interfaces. Turn on the power. Install a 0.5x objective lens. It is recommended to place a blank paper before observation. The small knob is to zoom in and zoom out. Range, 0.7-5.0x. The large knob adjusts the focus to make the observed target displayed clearly. The current magnification is 1.0x. According to the adjusted multiple, select 1.0x on Calibration column. First, select the straight line tool for calibration. Then select Point to Line to measure the length. Plug in the USB, click Capture to save the data. For the introduction of other tools, please refer to the manual.